In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not available to you. If you're seeing a message that Marketplace isn't available to you, don't worry. We'll walk through a clear set of checks that usually resolve it. Start by opening the Facebook app and tapping the Marketplace icon to confirm the message appears. From there, the first thing to verify is your age. Marketplace is only offered to users who are 18 or older. Open your Facebook profile and review the date of birth in your account info. If it's incorrect, update it in your profile settings so it accurately reflects that you're at least 18. This one detail alone can determine whether the Marketplace tab shows up. Next, confirm that Marketplace is available where you live. Facebook doesn't offer it in every country. Head to the Facebook Help Center and search for Marketplace availability, then check the current list for your region. If your country isn't supported yet, the feature won't appear, and you'll need to wait until Facebook rolls it out locally. If availability isn't the issue, make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Facebook, and tap Update if you see it. Outdated versions can hide newer features or cause access glitches. After updating, fully close the app and reopen it. A quick session refresh can also help. Log out of your Facebook account, close the app completely, then log back in. This forces Facebook to recheck your permissions and can restore missing tabs like Marketplace. On Android, clearing the Facebook app cache often fixes stubborn display or loading problems. Go to Settings, tap Apps, select Facebook, choose Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This only removes temporary files and won't affect your posts, messages, or login. Avoid clear data unless you're prepared to sign in again and reconfigure settings. If Marketplace access is restricted due to policy issues, you may see the feature disappear temporarily. Common causes include listing prohibited items, posting misleading descriptions, or repeatedly deleting and reposting the same items to gain visibility. When that happens, the best option is to wait for the restriction to expire and make sure your future listings follow Facebook's commerce policies. If you believe the restriction is a mistake, open the Marketplace unavailable message, select Request Review, and submit your appeal. Keep your explanation brief and factual. Reviews can take time, so check your notifications for updates. After each step, return to the app and look for the Marketplace tab again. If you meet the age requirement, your country is supported, your app is current, and you're in good standing, Marketplace access typically returns.